The symptoms of tinnitus are often described as ringing, buzzing, or whistling sounds that are perceived within the ears or the head. However, it is not the ear that is responsible. Instead, the causes for tinnitus can be found in the brain. The brain is made up from a huge number of active nerve areas which all have different roles. Sound information is processed via a very specific brain area known as the auditory cortex. The auditory cortex is divided up into areas that are responsible for processing different pitches in a similar way in which keys would be arranged on a piano. Anything which causes us to lose our hearing can have the effect of disrupting the keyboard. This could be caused by medication, loud noises, or just the natural aging processes. Due to this disruption, there is a reduction of activity in the keyboard areas affected by hearing loss, and the nerves that make up the area can start to fire spontaneously. This is called neurosynchronization. In another way, if the ear no longer talks to the auditory center, then the nerve cells in the auditory center begin to chatter in an overactive and unregulated way. It is this abnormal overactivity which causes us to perceive the tinnitus signal. Over time, this abnormal activity becomes permanent. This abnormal neural synchrony does not remain limited to the auditory center. That brain areas regulating attention, emotions, and stress are also affected. Is there a way to reduce and reverse the neural synchrony which is related to tinnitus? It is called TR neuromodulation. Treatment with TR neuromodulation targets the exact cause of the problem. This innovative treatment is designed to reduce hyperactivity in the specific regions of the brain that are responsible for generating the tinnitus sound. TR neuromodulation uses a complex mathematical algorithm to create a personalized sound perception for each patient. A series of tones created are transmitted to the nerve cells in the brain of the patient in such a way that cells' abnormal reactivity reduces, disrupted, and hyperactivity is reduced. In TR neuromodulation, the synchronous nerve cell network is first stimulated actively from the outside by single tones that are spatially and temporally staggered to force the nerve cells into subgroups, each with its own new rhythm. 4 tones are used to deliver this gentle targeted stimulation to the hearing center of the brain. There are short pauses between the stimulation signals in order to remodel the nerve network. If repeated regularly and often enough, this stimulation signals will reduce the hyperactivity to such an extent that abnormal neural synchrony will permanently be reversed. TR neuromodulation tones consist of individually measured and specifically calculated acoustic impulses which are transferred into the brain into corresponding electrical stimuli. The acoustic tones are generated by a small matchbox-sized device, the TR device, and administered to the tinnitus patient via medical headphones.